Happy wife, happy life.
While I'm uploading the vlog, Cowboys folding my clothes. Stop!
Wow.
Look at me.
How fast that is.
Buwang talaga si Calvo. Han, just fold your clothes. I will fold mine.
Mine gets hung up.
Buwang talaga si Calvo.
Look, that looks just as good as yours. Don't tell me that doesn't look just as good as yours. Look how fast that was.
You're so bakla.
Oh, wait a minute, those are mine.
Hi guys! Papunta kami ni Calvo sa store. It's so nice out today. Grabe, I can't believe it's winter.
It's 60 degrees.
It's not even cold.
It's gonna be 30 tomorrow.
Are you serious?
Yep. It's gonna drop 3 degrees.
Oh my God. Ganun dito sa Ohio. We're here in Ohio and the weather is unpredictable. Ngayon, mainit. Bukas, may snow. And we're expecting snow this weekend. Calvo wants to buy alcohol to knock me out during my surgery. Why are we here in the alcohol section? Oh, you're going to buy chips. Oh my God, chicharon. What is that?
It's what Taylor eats.
Na naman ako. Ayun guys, tapos na kami mamili ni Cal. It's so windy. Kung hindi ako buntis, nilipad na ako ng hangin.
Oh, my hair everywhere.
Cal said it's blowing his hair. Ikaw na si Cal, nililipad yung buhok. Make sure you fit in there, hon.
I fit. Plenty of room.
Hindi nga malamig. Ang lakas naman ng hangin. Yung guys, sumakit yung tiyan ko kakalakad doon sa store. It hurts my tummy.
What does?
Walking. Bigat-bigat na nila. Grabe. So yun, namili lang ako ng mga foods na pwede kong kainin, preparing for my surgery. Why are you going here?
Let's see if there's a movie.
Cowboy stopping by to rent a movie. Bumili ako ng avocado, kamote, almusal ko sa umaga, yogurt. What else did I bought, hon? Mango. Because I want to make a mango shake again. Second time. Titingin si Calvo kung merong magandang movie. Kasi nasa bahay ngayon yung mga anak niya. It's Tuesday. Mahilig sila manood ng horror.
Nothing looks good.
You find good one?
No, nothing looks good. So, no movie tonight. Unless we find something on Netflix.
Ang kinis ng mukha ni Calvo. Look at here, hon.
What?
Your face looks so good.
It does.
Like pinkish.
That's my favorite color.
Pink.
I'm gonna buy the boys a pink outfit.
Stop.
Pink just isn't for girls.
I know. Then why don't you wear a pink shirt? I'll buy you one for
I did in high
Valentine's
school.
Day.
I did in high school.
Yeah, I'll buy you one for Valentine's Day, and you need to wear it in public, okay?
No.
Yeah, why?
I don't. Because I don't trust you. You'll buy a girl shirt like you did
No,
that
I
day at the. Like that one outfit you bought me is supposed to have been a cheap outfit for like $2 or $3. You bought me a dress.
Pauwi na kami guys. It's only 4 o'clock but it's dark. Cowboy is making French fries. Bacon. I'm sorry. I didn't. I misunderstood you.
Yeah, I know.
Ang dami.
I don't know how this is going to turn out because I got that in here. Honey,
You're busted.
surprise for you, honey.
Yeah, I don't want an
What?
ice cream.
You told me you did.
Cowboy is eating ice cream. He said he's going back to his diet.
I am, but I can't just stop cold turkey.
What?
I didn't hardly eat nothing for lunch or breakfast.
Okay. Guys, nanonood ng TV yung magtatay doon sa sala, kaya dito na lang ako sa kwarto namin mag-unboxing. Ito yung Hollister. Yung binili ko doon sa gift card na binigay ni Calvo. And let's see if it's the rest of the order. Kasi nag-order ako ng 5 items and isa lang yung dumating kahapon, diba? So, I think it's the rest. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yay! Got all of them. Naka-sale kasi siya, kaya binili ko na. This is a shirt. Gusto ko yung top nila kasi simple lang. Ang ganda. Next month, sa birthday ko, Hollister gift card ulit ang hihingin ko kay Calvo. Kasi gusto ko yung mga top nila. Simple lang. And I need this sa summer kasi dalawang bugoy ang aking karga-karga. Diba mas magdali pag comfy yung damit mo. And I think this one is a dress. Kasi nakasigil siya. Mahal kaya yung Hollister, pero kapag nag-sale sila, sobrang mura. Kaya, pag nag-sale sila, talagang bumibili na ako. Yeah, it's a dress. This is so cute. I got this for very low price. Ang ganda. And this one is another top. Ang cute, diba? Nabili ko lang to ng mga $5 or $6. And ito talaga yung gusto ko. Yung pantalon. Kasi mura ko lang siya nabili. Yung pantalon nila ang mamahal. And this one, siguro mga $17 lang to. This is cute. Ang ganda. So yun guys, nandito na si Calvo. Tapos na siya kumain ng ice cream.
I didn't even get any. She ate most of it.
Didn't eat. So, manganganak nata ako ngayong gabi guys. Sobrang sakit ng tiyan ko. And I keep going to the bathroom. Like, I know I always go to the bathroom a lot. But this one is different. So you have to be awake.
Because I better go to bed early.
Huh?
Because I better go to bed early.
Why?
We might have to get up early.
So yun lang guys, update na lang namin kayo. Maraming salamat everyone. See you guys tomorrow.
Goodbye everyone.